Can you solve all these Class 10 Science Chapter 13 Magnetic Effects of Electric Current questions? Livewire has. Great job! Red-colored insulation is accurate. Magnetic field is. Excellent. Vector is well reasoned. Earth wire carries. Exactly. No current makes sense. X stands for dash. Right again. Alternating current is valid. A magnet attracts. Sharp thinking. Iron and steel is right. A compass needle is. On track. Bar magnet is correct. Tesla is the unit of. Great thinking. Magnetic field is right. Fuse is connected in. You're right. Live wire is correct. Name any to precaution. Strong choice. Fuse and earth wire is right. Switches are connected to. Right choice. Live wire is best. What is the unit of power? You chose watts, correct? The magnet field adds up if. Bravo! Turn increases is the answer. Who discovered magnetic effects? Smart move. Or rested is accurate answer. The magnetic field lines are dash. Valid point. Closed loops is true. Voltage is simply defined as dash. Well reasoned. What pushes electrons is correct. Any current carrying wires produce. Good thinking. Magnetic field is right. What is formula for magnetic field? Solid response. Tesla meters amps is valid. Magnetic field is a scalar quantity. Nicely done. True is solid. Fleming's right-hand rule is used in. Well picked. Generator is correct. Do the field lines cross each other? Correct response. No is accurate. Straight conductor works based on the. Nice selection. Right-hand thumb rule is correct. What is the SI unit of magnetic field? Well done. Tesla is right. The frequency of EC means in India is. Perfect. 50 cycles sec is the one. Magnetic field is a quantity that has. Smart pick. Both direction and magnitude is correct. The magnetic field is the strongest at. Excellent choice. Both poles is right. Red insulation covered wire represents. Correct. Live wire is spot on. The magnetic field inside a solenoid is. Good job. Uniform works well. The unit of magnetic field strength is. You got it? Oersted fits. Magnetic field lines in a bar magnet are. Nice work. Closed curves fits perfectly. Inside the magnet, the field lines moves. Clear logic. From south to north is sound. Who has stated the right-hand thumb rule? Good job. Maxwell works well. Which of these acts like a bar magnet? On track. Solenoid is correct. Material of the core of a strong magnet is. Bravo. Soft iron is the answer. Strength of solenoid is more at the center. Valid point. True is true. Who discovered magnetic effect of current? Well-reasoned. Ousted is correct. Which device produces the electric current? Nice selection. Generator is correct.
Find the odd one out. Clue.
Well picked. Lodestone is correct. The direction of induced current is given by? Correct. Fleming's right-hand rule is spot on. Magnetic strength in more dash of bar magnet. Excellent. Poles is well reasoned. What should be the core of an electromagnet? You chose soft iron. Correct.
A current-carrying solenoid coil used to make.
Smart pick. Electromagnets is correct. List 2 methods of producing magnetic fields. Nice work. Electric current and magnets fits perfectly. In right-hand thumb rule, thumb indicates what? You're right. Direction of current is correct. North pole of a magnetic is otherwise known as? Nicely done. North seeking pole is solid.
Where is Earth's magnetic field the strongest?
Strong choice. Poles is right.
The magnetic effect of current was discovered by? Perfect. Ousted is the one.
The best material to make permanent magnets is? Clear logic. Alnico is sound. Fleming right-hand rule gives the direction of? Exactly. Induced current makes sense. What is the principle of working of loudspeaker? Good thinking. Motor principle is right.
Fuse wire has high melting point. True or false?
Smart move. False is accurate answer. The device used for producing electric current is? Excellent choice. Generator is right. No two field lines are found to cross each other. Right again. True is valid. In which year Ousted discovered electromagnetism? Correct response. 1820 is accurate. Closure the field lines. Dash the magnetic strength. Solid response. Stronger is valid. A compass needle is, in fact, a small dash magnet. Right choice. Bar is best. The device used for producing current is called a? Great thinking. Generator is right. Which of the following is a non-magnetic substance? Well done. Cobalt is right. According to right-hand thumb rule, the thumb shows. Sharp thinking. Direction of current is right. In which of the following devices DC motor is used? Great job. Battery-operated toy is accurate. Conductor made into the shape of a spring is called? You got it. Solenoid fits. Moving magnet inside a conducting coil can generate. Smart move. All of the above is accurate answer. Which of the following is not attracted by a magnet? Sharp thinking. Brass is right. What is the purpose of an electric fuse in a circuit? Good thinking. To prevent overloading is right. What are the two different standards of circuits used? On track. 15 at 5 is correct. Which word means how hard it is for electrons to flow?
Solid response. Resistance is valid.
Is magnetic field a scalar quantity or vector quantity? Nicely done. Vector is solid. The device which is used to detect current is called a right choice. Galvanometer is best. What does the thumb indicate in Fleming's left-hand rule?
Well picked. Force is correct.
In a solenoid, the magnetism is temporary, true or false?
Strong choice. True is right.
At the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit
Well reasoned. Increases heavily is correct.
What is the device used for generating electric currents?
You chose generator. Correct.
A freely suspended bar magnet always rests in nth direction. Bravo! True is the answer. The direction of magnetic field lines inside the magnet are
perfect. From south to north is the one.
Oersted showed that dash and magnetism were related phenomena. Nice work. Electricity fits perfectly. A compass needle gets deflected when brought near a bar magnet. Great thinking. True is right. Like poles dash, while unlike poles of magnets dash each other. Right again. Repel attract is valid. When current flows downwards, the direction of magnetic field is clear logic. Clockwise is sound.
Magnetic field lines emerge from dash pole and merge at dash pole.
Excellent choice. North, south is right. By which instrument the presence of magnetic field be determined?
Correct response. Magnetic needle is accurate.
When current flows clockwise in a loop, the polarity of its faces.
Correct. South is spot on.
Which of the following deflects in the presence of a magnetic field? Nice selection. Compass is correct. Name the device which converts electric energy into mechanical energy.
You're right. Motor is correct.
Who was the first to observe the magnetic effect of electric current? Well done. Oersted is right. The most suitable material for making the core of an electromagnet is...
You got it. Soft iron fits.
The device which is used to detect small magnitudes of current is dash. Great job. Galvanometer is accurate. Weak ion currents that travel along nerve cell in our body produces dash. Valid point. Magnetic field is true. The magnetic field lines near a long straight wire carrying current are. Smart pick. Concentric rings is correct. The soft iron core on which the coil is wound, plus the coils, is called. Exactly. An armature makes sense. The laws of electrolysis and electromagnetic induction was discovered by. Good job. Michael Faraday works well. The area around a magnet in which its influence can be felt is called its. Excellent. Magnetic field is well reasoned. A compass needle will always deflect when a metallic wire is placed nearby. Right choice. False is best. What is the instrument used to detect the presence of current in a circuit? Or
You're right. Amateur is correct.
The north-south polarities of an electromagnet can be found easily by using.
Excellent. Clock face rule is well reasoned.
Name 2 safety measures commonly used in electric circuits and appliances.
Good thinking. Grounding and fuses is right.
What is the pattern of magnetic field lines around a circular loop of wire?
Perfect. Concentric circles is the one.
According to Fleming's left-hand rule, what does the forefinger point towards?
You got it? Magnetic field fits.
What is the unit of magnetic field strength, named after Hans Christian Ørsted?
Great job. Ørsted is accurate.
The ends of compass needle point approximately towards dash and dash directions.
Bravo, north-south is the answer.
In an electric motor, the direction of current in the coil changes once in each.
Good job. Half rotation works well.
When current flows from south to north, magnetic needle will be deflected towards.
Smart move. West is accurate answer.
Which of the following components forms a difference between DC and generators?
Excellent choice. Split ring is right.
Which one is not a devices that use current carrying conductor and magnetic fields?
Well picked. Electric heater is correct. What happens to the magnetic field inside a solenoid when current flows through it?
Clear logic. It becomes uniform is sound.
A rotating device that converts electrical energy to mechanical energy is known as.
Correct response. Electric motor is accurate.
Magnetic field produced around a straight conductor due to current in it is given by.
Exactly. Right-hand thumb rule makes sense.
2 parallel wires carry current in the same direction attract each other because of.
Nicely done. Magnetic forces between them is solid. A device that reverses the direction of flow of current through a circuit is called a.
On track. An armature is correct.
Direction of magnetic field produced by a current carrying loop can be found by using.
Well done. Clock rule is right.
What is that instrument which can detect the presence of electric current in a circuit?
Strong choice. Galvanometer is right.
What is the pattern of magnetic field lines at the center of a current-carrying solenoid?
You chose straight lines. Correct.
The pattern of the magnetic field generated by a current-carrying conductor depends on dash.
Solid response. Geometry of conductor is valid.
What happens to the magnetic field strength as you move away from a current-carrying wire?
Smart pick. It decreases is correct.
Right-hand thumb rule help us to find the direction of dash in a current-carrying conductor.
Correct. Magnetic field is spot on.
The force is maximum when direction of current is at dash to the direction of magnetic field.
Right again. Perpendicular is valid.
What is the direction of the magnetic field at the top of a circular current carrying loop?
Sharp thinking. Clockwise is right.
You are given 4 bulbs of 25W, 50W and 60W. Which bulb has the lowest resistance?
Well reasoned. 60W is correct. Magnetic field produced by a current carrying wire at a given point depends directly on dash.
Valid point. Electric current is true. A beam of electrons and protons move parallel to each other in the same direction, then they great thinking. Attract each other is right.
A positive charge is moving towards a person. The direction of magnetic field lines will be in.
Nice selection. Anti-clockwise direction is correct.
Which of the following property of a proton can change while it moves freely in a magnetic field?
Nice work. Velocity fits perfectly.
In which property of magnet, a freely suspended magnet always points in a north-south direction?
You chose directive property. Correct. In India, we use ack in our households. How many times does it change its direction in 1 second?
Valid point. 100 times is true.
The factors on which one magnetic field strength produced by current carrying solenoid depends on.
Well done. All of the above is right.
The nature of magnetic field line passing through the center of current carrying circular loop is.
Great thinking. Circular is right.
The direction of force acting on a current carrying conductor kept in a magnetic field is given by.
You got it? Fleming's left-hand rule fits.
The relative strength of the magnetic field is shown by the degree of closeness of the field lines.
Correct. True is spot on.
The magnetic field produced by a given current in the conductor dash as the distance from it increases.
Nice work. Decreases fits perfectly.
Who discovered that a compass needle gets deflected when a current-carrying conductor is placed near it?
Great job. Hans Christian Ørsted is accurate.
How does the magnetic field change as you move along the length inside a long solenoid carrying current?
Exactly. Remains the same makes sense.
At which angle between the current carrying wire and the magnetic field is the force found to be highest?
They.
Perfect. 90 degrees is the one.
A soft iron bar is inserted inside a current-carrying solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid will.
Clear logic. Increases sound.
The most important safety method used for protecting home appliances from short-circuiting or overloading is.
Nice selection. Earthing is correct.
The direction of magnetic field developed around a current carrying conductor can be easily found by the use of.
Strong choice. Right-hand thumb rule is right.
The electric device which works on the phenomena of force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field is.
Solid response. Motor is valid. Hans Christian Ørsted, one of the leading scientists of the 19th century, played a crucial role in understanding.
Sharp thinking. Electromagnetism is right.
The process by which changing magnetic field in a conductor induces as a current in another conductor is called as.
Smart pick. Electromagnetic induction is correct.
According to right-hand thumb rule, the direction of magnetic field in a current-carrying circular coil is denoted by.
Well picked.
Thumb is correct. Identify the scientist. Right choice. Ørsted is best. If the magnetic field produced by one turn of a coil is 12, what is the magnetic field produced when there are 6 turns? Good job. 7-T works well.
What do you see in this image?
Bravo. Magnetic field lines is the answer. The direction of the magnetic field is taken to be the direction in which a dash, pole of the compass needle moves inside it. Excellent choice. North is right. According to right-hand thumb rule, the fingers which are wrapping the current carrying conductor give you the direction of dash. Well reasoned. Direction of magnetic field is correct. An electric fan rated 50 operates 20 hours in a day. What is the cost of the energy to operate it for 30 days at Rs? 2 per cool. Nicely done. R60 is solid. This is an example of a dash circuit. Good thinking. Series is right. A current carrying wire is placed in a magnetic field. If the current in the wire is increased, the displacement of the wire will. You're right. Increase is correct. Needle deflects towards east or west. Smart move. West is accurate answer. An electron moving towards the east enters a magnetic field directed towards the north. The force on the electron will be directed. Right again. Vertically downward is valid. A charge plus is moving upwards vertically. It enters a magnetic field directed to the north. The force on the charge will be towards. Excellent. West is well reasoned. A magnetic field directed in north direction acts on an electron moving in east direction. The magnetic force on the electron will act. Correct response. Vertically downwards is accurate. Which law states that the direction of the induced current is such that it always opposes the cause which produced it? Oh. On track. Lenz's law is correct. Henry Oxford accidentally discovered that a compass needle got deflected when an electric current passed through a metallic wire placed nearby. You got it. False fits. An air conditioner is rated 260V 2.0 kW. The air conditioner is switched on for 10 hours each day. What is electrical energy consumed in 30 days? Sharp thinking. 600 kW is right. Magnetic field is from west to east. A stream of electrons is moving from south to north. In which direction will the electrons experience a force? Well done. Outwards is right. When looking at a circular current-carrying loop, if the current is in the anticlockwise direction, then what is the polarity of the loop facing you? Great job. North pole is accurate. If the direction of electric current in a solenoid, when viewed from a particular end, is anticlockwise, then this end of solenoid will be. Right choice. North pole is best. A positively charged particle projected towards west is deflected towards north by a magnetic field. The direction of magnetic field is. You're right. Towards east is correct. If a positively charged particle is moving towards east, is deflected towards south by a magnetic field, the direction of the magnetic field will be dash. Bravo. Upward is the answer. This diagram shows the electric field surrounding a bar magnet. Correct. No is spot on. A deflection of a compass needle placed near a current-carrying conductor will be observed if magnitude of current passing through the conductor is changed. Z. Nice work. True fits perfectly. The current in the wire can be reversed. The pole of the magnet can also be changed over. In how many of the 4 directions shown can the force act on the wire?
Well reasoned. 2 is correct.
State whether the following statements are true or false. The field at the center of a long circular coil carrying current will be parallel straight lines.
Right again. False is valid. Select the correct option of the decreasing order of the strength of the field. Nice selection. 2D-3 is correct.
Refer the diagram. The right face of the loop acts as North Pole and left side of loop acts as South Pole.
Correct response. True is accurate. An electron enters a magnetic field right hand to it. The direction of force on the electron will be dash.
Strong choice.
Away from you is right.
What angle must there be between a magnetic field and a conductor in order for the maximum force to be exerted?
Smart move. 90 is accurate answer. Refer the diagram, at the center of which of the following 4 circular rings the magnetic field is the strongest for equal magnitude of current. Nicely done. Loop 4 is solid.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Smart pick. Contact Narayan Changder on Facebook is correct.